welcome to today's analysis. Today is Saturday, the 28th of March 2026. So we'll be starting up. Remember, it's actually what's it called? Saturday. So we'll be looking at the synthetic because the normal FOREX market is currently away from the retail traders. So let's start up with the volatility 75 1 seconds, which is made available by Deriv. And just in case you're not familiar with what Deriv, you can check the description. I believe in a link to my Telegram, and for my Telegram, you will see the link to this broker there. And of course, let's see that link gives you some extra benefits with your first deposits. Alright, so on 75 1 seconds, these are the 4-hour chart. I'm sure you know how we actually do it. I'll just mark out the 4-hour chart zones, mark out some level because we're looking at the 24 so at the daily movement of the market. So here being the 4-hour chart, we actually expected a breakers from this, but then yesterday actually took a buy from I think somewhere around this level. When the market actually go to this level, we took a buy from somewhere here. Stop loss was below this previous low, and then this was our take profit. That got our take profit. Now we still expect a breakers from this for a continuation of this bullish. But then let's see what really happens when the market gets back. It's currently moving there again. So let's see if we're going to see a breakers from this, or we're going to see the market moving bearish again. But let's go to 15-minute chart. Let's look at the candlestick formation 15-minute chart to confirm what really is going on and what you'll be expecting as time goes by. Now, judging with this 15 minutes candlestick, you can see that the bullish momentum is actually very good, telling that they have a good sense of our boost inside this current market. So let's see what really happens when they get to this level. If you're going to see them are getting ejected, or then if you're going to see the market are breaking straight out of this level for us to go long, so that level that we can get to see continuing going bullish. So we're going to wait for the market at this level, then whatever happens here tells us what we're going to be doing next. Alright, so that's the level to the next one, which is 75. Oh, what that? Okay, also the 4-hour charts. Okay, so here the 4-hour chart of 75. A previous level is this right here. The 15 minutes charts. I can see this getting again into this previous level right here. So I will see the market actually moving below this. I will see rejected to go bullish. Actually, I expect it to actually continue going bullish. But then let me see what really happens. If this is going to continue going bearish, remember our bullish comes in at the market breaking above this first high. Right? You can actually see the market closing there above that. You can think of going long on volatility 75. But then on the bearish move, you want to see this market actually closing below this, create a new low, try to pull back, unable to break above its own previous high, then it breaks below its own low again, then going short on volatility 75. Alright, so after volatility 75, we go to the next one, which is boom. And of course, we'll be starting up with boom 500. Okay, to the 4-hour chart. Let's do the 4-hour charts. I can see it's currently looking bullish. After testing this level, then definitely this is the next level we expect to get to. So let's see if it's going straight there, or are we seeing the market and still having some vision. It's actually looking very bullish, but then we can't be going long here because if you are going long, this is definitely your first take profit is going to be, which is definitely going to give us a good risk to reward ratio. So the best option is just to wait for the market to continue going bullish, then breaking above this, then wait for a retest for us to go long on boom 500. So this is my entry on 500. My entry comes up at this level right here. So if the market to break above that, look for long trades on boom 500. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is boom 1000. Okay, to the 4-hour chart, they're looking bearish on the 15 minutes chart. Oh, very bearish. This is actually looking very, very bearish. But then I just went to the 24-hour chart already, no, right now, after seeing this whole move right here. So back to the 15 minutes. Okay. I won't take any trade on the 1000 because it's looking very, very bearish. So if I'm going to take trade, going to be at this level. If the market gets to this level, that's where my bearish still comes in. But right now, I'm not taking any trade. So it's going to be a pending order at this level there. I can target minimum of 1 to 2 weeks to reward ratio. So that is if it gets broken, gets below this level. Alright, that's it. Let's go to the next one, which is definitely the crash. And of course, we're starting up with the crash 500. Alright, to the 4-hour chart also. I think it's also looking bullish, very bullish. You can see that right there. Okay. So this is what I'll be anticipating on crash 500. A good bullish move. Alright. So let's go to the final one, which is our crash 1000. Okay. Previous level. A new level. Then you can see from here, we seem to be seeing some bearish move. But then that can only be confirmed if this level is taken out. But then the bullish move is confirmed if this level is taken out. So that means for us to think of either going long or short, it's going to come up only either when this level is taken out. Remember, this is a 4-hour chart. Let's put a small movement right here, or then this level gets taken out. So our bearish move comes up below this, bullish above this. Alright, that's it. That brings to the end of today's analysis with Deriv. Remember, as I said, Deriv is actually a worldwide broker. So in case you don't have an account with them, you can actually check my description. I will leave a link to my Telegram. And for the Telegram, you see a link to the broker, which gives you some extra benefit than the normal account opening. That said, I actually wish you profitable day trader here. Please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.